You see, Vivo really knows how to shake things up. The X300s comes with a telephoto lens, and it even has the same imaging capabilities as the X300 Ultra. Although it hasn't been officially released yet, we've already gotten our hands on the X300s photographer's kit ahead of time. Just peel this off here, lift it up, and the phone is placed inside. I'm really curious about the accessories inside this box. You should pull it out like this, and this card tells you what's included below. There's a brand new teleconverter. Hey, I happen to have the previous generation right here so everyone can take a look and compare. It's become shorter and also lighter. That means it's more convenient to take it with you when you go out. Over here is a metal decorative ring. The lens adapter ring is silver, and there's a little Zeiss blue badge here. Inside, oh, this is the crossbody strap. There are also two protective caps here. The phone case is green, and it has a diamond pattern texture to the touch. Next, let's bring out the phone itself. The one we have is in the film green colorway. Oh, so the X300s has a large screen, and they've done a split design. Actually, the lower part here is the silver with green here comes with a silicone protective case, which is great. Over here is a 90-watt Type A charging adapter. As usual, let's look at the phone's appearance first. Now, I've placed the X300s between the X300 and the X300 Pro, and it's easy to see that its size is, well, exactly the same as the X300 Pro. It's a 6.78-inch flat display. However, when it comes to the arrangement of the camera module, you can see that it's the same as the X300. There's also a small Zeiss blue logo in the middle, and the flash is placed in the upper left corner of the body. What's special is that when you look at it from the side, just like the X300, it uses a cool tone glass, and there's a volcano-like transition. The benefit of this is that when you're holding the phone like this, the area around the camera module doesn't feel sharp or uncomfortable. What's unique about this generation is that they've done a dual texture design. But notice, when you touch it, you can't actually feel the dual texture. My impression is that the X300s resembles a compact mirrorless camera, giving it a distinctive look. The side features a flat matte metal frame with a slight greenish tint, echoing the back panel design. The front has an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and a 6.78-inch 144 Hz flat display, more on that soon. Regarding the X300s, most online reviews focus on its imaging because of its telephoto muscle-building lens with powerful zoom. It also includes X300 Ultra features like various imaging styles, and you can even add your own. Take the color palette feature, for example. Not only does the Ultra have it, but the X38s has it too, and so on and so forth. We won't go into all the details here. But to be honest, guys, when it comes to the X3 buying the S, what really attracts me to this phone isn't its imaging capabilities, nor its dual main cameras, nor its telephoto lens. So what is it? First, as we just mentioned, this flat BOEQ 10 Plus display. First of all, I think its polarization control is quite good. Also, this screen, I think the viewing angle is already extremely impressive. Take a look at this viewing angle, everyone. And I think the white balance is actually tuned really well. There's no reddish tint, nor does it look greenish from the side at wide angles. It really is a visually outstanding display. Of course, as a manufacturer, there's nothing you can really criticize here, right? The second point, take a look at this phone's specs. The Dimensity 9500 is paired with what? A 7,100 milliamp hour battery, if I remember correctly, among Vivo's main flagship models. This is currently the largest battery, right? And even with such a big battery, the overall thickness of the device is still kept at 8mm. So they've tried to maintain a relatively good feel in the hand. For the third point, we have to bring in the dock, since it's got symmetrical dual speakers. Everyone, take a look. How should I put it? Even pro users would be envious. The fourth point is the motor. The X300s really does have a brand new custom motor, and the vibration feedback is actually quite impressive. Honestly, you might have noticed that I've barely talked about this phone because I really don't know what else to say. The specs it offers are just so well-rounded. You could call it an all-purpose compact camera phone. If you really like Vivo's system and you want a device that doesn't have any obvious shortcomings, this is it. So the X300s might really be a good choice. But for now, I'm not making any recommendations because I honestly have no idea how they're going to price it. Everyone, just wait for the launch event and then take another look at this product, okay? Bye-bye.